Hey guys, Eddie here at hypastore.com. Today we're going to be talking about 5 common reasons your chainsaw or other small 2-stroke engine starts and then stalls. Actually, if your machine is hard to start or won't run at all, these common problems are also a good place to start. So let's get right into it, starting with a clogged spark arrestor. These are super simple to inspect and clean or replace, but when they are clogged, they prevent the engine exhausting burnt gases at the proper rate, which can cause a host of issues such as starts and stalls. Old fuel is a common cause of issues with machines that are not used regularly. Most likely your engine will not run at all, but sputtering and stalling or even running for short periods of time is possible. As fuel ages, it loses a portion of its volatility, causing it to be less able to burn properly. Old fuel can also be a contributor to our next issue, a clogged carburetor. If particulate matter or old dry fuel clog up a jet or passage in your carburetor, it can cause erratic behavior of the engine. One of those behaviors can be starts and stalls. A good way to prevent this is to run your machine dry before long-term storage. But cleaning the carburetor may also help free up any deposits. You can also rebuild or replace your carburetor if it is beyond saving or just for the convenience. Hipa has a full line of all-in-one kits to make replacing your carburetor easy. A clogged or partially clogged fuel filter is up next. These can also cause starts and stalls. This could also be caused by old gas, but just as common in chainsaws is debris that gets in the fuel tank, which can easily clog up a fuel filter. I mean, that's what they're there for. They're easily replaced though by extracting from the fuel tank and pulling it off of the end of the fuel line. The last potential common cause of starts and stalls is a restricted air filter or filter box. A clogged air filter or debris in your air box can cause many issues, some of which can seriously damage your engine. But a partial obstruction in airflow could also cause erratic running problems. Changing the filter often and inspecting and cleaning the airbox is the best preventative here. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel where we're going to have more videos like these coming in the future. And also join us at Hipa DIY Community Facebook group. It's a great place to meet other people who are interested in DIY repair, as well as get instruction for something, get advice, or just talk to Hipa customer service. Check us out at hypastore.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.